The lawyer representing former New South Wales police officer Beau Lamarre-Condon believes his two charges of murder could be defendable. The 28-year-old's case came before a Sydney court this morning. It comes nearly 2 months since the bodies of television presenter Baird and flight attendant Luke Davies were found at a rural property south of Sydney. Court reporter Jamie McKinnell joins us now from Sydney with more. Hi Jamie, so what's happened in court today?
Hi Casey, well this was a relatively brief mention of the case for Beau Lamarre-Condon today. In fact, it was all over in a couple of minutes and he didn't even appear on the AVL screen, so we didn't even see Beau Lamarre-Condon himself. But the court did hear that a partial brief of evidence has been served in this matter now, and prosecutors now have 8 weeks to serve the rest of that brief of evidence. So that means that the case will return here to the Downing Centre local court on June 18. Now, Beau Lamarre-Condon has been in custody for nearly 2 months since he handed himself in, and that followed the disappearance of Luke Davies and Baird back in February. Police have previously said that 28-year-old Beau Lamarre-Condon had a brief relationship with Baird, and they are alleging in court that a police-issued service handgun was used in Baird's Paddington home. Now, the bodies of the two men were found at a rural property at a place called Bungonia, southwest of Sydney, and they were discovered about a week after Baird and Luke Davies were last seen. Outside court today, Beau Lamarre-Condon's lawyer, John Walford, told the media that he's still unsure how his client is going to plead.
Aren't these charges defendable?
They could be.
What, on mental health?
I'm not sure.
Is mental health likely to be part of the defence?
Probably.
So that's the lawyer representing Beau Lamarre-Condon there. Jamie, do we know anything about the accused's time in custody in the meantime?
Well, John Walford told us, Casey, that his client is generally doing okay while he's been in custody on remand, although he did say that he's finding it a little bit tough, but he said it's tough for everyone. We also know that Beau Lamarre-Condon has been in protective custody while he's been on remand because of his status as a former police officer. Of course, he was a constable in the New South Wales Police Force, but last month he was removed from the New South Wales Police Force. In terms of the court process now, though, Casey, the next step will be that June court mention, and it's probably going to be another very brief mention. We're still unclear how Beau Lamarre-Condon will plead to these charges.